Konnichiwa, fellow eaters. Today we'll be having another Alfort cookies, strawberry flavored from Japan, here on
FoodzFolkz.
Welcome to FoodzFolkz, helping you find your food and remembering the good times when we had them. Right before we get this unbox and food review going, I just want to remind everyone to say grace before each meal. Even for snacks, we must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourished us all and gave us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods worked really hard on it. Just pause the video on parts you want to see, and I'll have timestamps on the description below so you can skip through it in parts you want to see. And also I will have the summary of this food review we have here today. Ichigo strawberry, I believe that's right. And we had a mini version of this. I'm just doing this to see if they taste the same thing. So here we go. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future videos. Whoa, I can smell it already. Wow, I can really smell it just opening the bag. Whoa. Oh, it smells good. Smells like strawberry. Oh, okay, it's melted. It's a little melted. It's alright. Here we go. That's how it looks like. Let's see. Yep. It's in the front. Wow, that smells so good. Oh, look at that. It smells really delicious. And it's melted bourbon. Here we go. Let's give it a taste. Oh. Okay. That was pretty good, even when it's melted. No matter what, it's gonna melt anyway. Yeah, I rate this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It was pretty good. You can taste it's artificially, it felt like, is it artificial flavored? I can't really tell, but it didn't taste like a natural strawberry to me. Maybe it's for you guys, but it felt like it was artificial flavor, but it still tastes good. It was a little tangy as well. This part was dry. You have that dark chocolate taste, like an Oreo cookie. Yeah, this part, it's kind of almost like that, but this is softer. It matches well the strawberry flavor and the dark chocolate cookie together. Worked pretty good. Can't imagine if it was not melted. Probably been better or not. Well, the experience wise would have been better. That's it. Yeah, a good cookie. And does it taste like that mini version? A little. This is just much more bigger. Alright, thank you guys for watching another Japan Foods. And for more foods from Japan, here you go folks. And for other foods, right here. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks.